I got a new angle grinder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do an unboxing video first. As usual, many people do an unboxing video when they get the new stuff. Woof. Yes, I got the grinder. I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I'm gonna show you what's inside this box. This is Bosch and model is GWS 600. And yeah, I'm gonna unbox this and I'm gonna show you what's inside this. Wait a minute, this protective glasses didn't come along with this. Just I brought extra. You know, protection is always needed. Wear protection. So here is the components. What I got was a bunch of components in the plastic, which I'm gonna show you in a few minutes. A big set of angle grinder and manual plastic, warranty and Bosch manual. Since a manual is you have set of all components and procedure of tightening it, you have handles and all sorts of information on this. And basically you can use different type of disc. That is, you can use a grinder disc, cutting disc. You'll have brushing disc, marble cutting, wood polishing. You can use almost all kind of disc. Okay, so this has a lot of information here, and you'll get a lot of different kind of blade information right here. So this is what comes in a manual. Next, we are gonna go. Gonna have a look. Is the warranty card. This is the warranty card. You get a 6 months of warranty. That's they say only for the windings. That's the winding. This is the main the device here. That's GWS 600. You can see here by Bosch company. I would recommend buying a good one like this because you're gonna use it throughout your life and you're gonna use it for a long time. So buy a pretty good one of this. Okay, so we have this plastic. So what's inside this plastic? So you'll get a handle. This is a safeguard, to protect your hand from hitting the blade. Then you'll get a key for losing and tightening the disc. Then these are the disc holders. Wait, you can hear the sound behind that peacock. So you will get this many things with your angle grinder. So, but you will not get a grinding disc. You need to buy it separately, which I did. This is a metal cutting disc. This is the original one. You can buy the original ones or you can buy the cheaper ones because disc mostly it comes for a certain amount of time. This is Tafaria. This is a good one, good quality one, and yeah, this is a metal cutting disc. You can see this is thinner and this is used for cutting metal. And I got one more yesterday. This is a grinding disc. It's like a sandpaper, but it's for this mission. You can see a grinder wheel. This is a metal grinding disc. If you can see, this is a metal grinding. If you can see grinding wheel and for metal. So what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna do one more video. Like I'm gonna polish a knife, old rusted knife. So I have the knife round here. So this is pretty much rusted. So I'm gonna sharpen this using this. I'm gonna fix the handle. It's much easier. So you have two options. Your option here and your option here. So most probably this depends whether you're right-handed or if you're left-handed. So I'm a right-handed, so I'm gonna use the right side one. Just screws right in. That's pretty much easy. This is done. Tight and secure. Next I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix this. I need a screwdriver. Give me a second, I'll just go and get the screwdriver. So here is a screwdriver, Tafaria. I'm gonna just loosen up a little bit. Okay, so this not only gives protection from the blade, it also gives you protection from the the flame, the sparks as well. So you can see the grooves. You should fit right into it. Always use the guard because it's safer. It fits right in and it's tight and secure. So I'm gonna mount the disc holder so we can have this grooves and it should fit right into it. Next comes the blade. You can see there's a little push back. You have the H push back. That goes up. Next goes the blade holder. You can see this because you have this smooth surface and this is kind of smooth. So it should go right here. and you can see this is metallic, so this should fix right here. So this, when locking up, there's a button in behind the disc, behind the machine. You need to press this. I think that's done. I don't want to tight too much because disc may break. And to just check to whether it's tightened up, I'm gonna press this again, and I'm gonna shake it. It's not shaking much, so it means it's tight. Give a small tight. It's done. It's not shaking. It's locked. This was the unboxing video and assembly of a angle grinder. So this is how it's fixed. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a lot of videos based on this, and right now I'm gonna as I said, I'm gonna sharpen this blade. I'll link that. I'll make a separate video so that it'll be easier for search. If you like this video, please do subscribe. You can click here to subscribe, and yeah, I'll probably right here click here to subscribe, and to watch the video which I was talking about, I'll place it right here, so you can click here to watch the video. Thank you for watching. As always, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe for Jake Quest.